So hello guys, welcome back to Chris 765 RS. Hope everything is good with you guys. I thought we'd do a close-up today, go around the motorcycle, just look at different things. As you can see, I have the cosmetic yellow one, and I got some kit installed on it when I got the bike. I got the bike the 5th of April this year. I've been driving 6,900 kilometers roundabout, so almost 700 Swedish miles. So what did my kit include, right? Well, I'll show you. Of course, the LED indicators, these beauties here. I think they're a must. I think they look slick and they fit the motorcycle extremely well. So that was the first thing I noticed. And I also got the engine slide covers, as you see here. Really nice. Love those. Fill out this space here, make it more. What else did I get? Yeah, I got some swing arm cover here. You see, my boots are taking it a little bit here, but that's good. Better that than on the swing arm, right? I also got a different tail tidy. This is not the original one. This is one a little bit shorter than the original one. It doesn't mean I like it, but it's better. I'm looking for a new one though. I think I want the EvoTech tail tidy, the one that finishes up here. I think it looks very nice. I had it on my other motorcycle. I had a Speed Twin 1200 before, right? So what else did I get with the kit? Yeah, I got a tank cover, this one here. I think it's a must-have. If you don't have it, you buy it immediately, or else you will scratch the tank here. Then I bought this fly screen protector, or whatever you call it here. It comes in two parts, this yellow one and this dark glass cover. Expensive though, about 3,000 Swedish crowns. I think it looks better. It's fit. It doesn't help that much though, but it looks good. So have you guys have any issues with your bike as you got it? Please let me know, comment or ask. I have had none whatsoever. Starts and stops works perfectly. The gear shifting is perfectly flawless. No stalls, no nothing. I've heard a little bit it can stop sometimes when you throttle off, but not this bike. Well,